Hello and welcome back to our string of co-exhibitor presentations. You know that this space is one dedicated to the technological sector of our country and especially dedicated to our co-exhibitor companies, the ones who are sharing our Spanish pavilion here at Mobile World Congress 2024. Presenting next is the company VIEWTINET. You can find them in booth number 22. We've got here with us Rafael Rosilla, co-founder and business development manager for VIEWTINET. The title of the presentation is Unified Observability, Next-Gen Monitoring and Intelligent Analytics for Comprehensive IT Ecosystems. Rafael, whenever you're ready, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much. Hello, so thank you for watching. So in this presentation, I'm going to speak about VIEWTINET and our technology. So first thing of all is to understand what is exactly the need today. So as you know, traditional monitoring tools are kind of obsolete nowadays. So the systems have become a lot more complex to monitor. Now we have hybrid cloud, we have SD-WAN environments. So there is actually a need for more complex and more proactive tools for network monitoring. Actually, we had the vision back in 2018 when we created the company to have this concept of observability. So in those days, as you can see, it wasn't really a very known name, but nowadays, as you can see, the trend has been increasing in a very exponential way, okay? And actually, the market size is huge of this. When we talk about observability and network monitoring, it is growing more than 20% in an annual basis. It's currently almost $12 billion and is going to increase in the upcoming years. This is what all the researchers are saying. So the market in the enterprises is huge, okay? So basically the team that we created the company, we had a lot of experience regarding IT ecosystem. We have all worked in NASDAQ companies for many years. So also the CTO, CEO, the R&D director, all of us have proved to have a good background in this sector. So this gave us, let's say, all the knowledge and all the capability to create the company and to bring it to a next level. So basically we created a technology that is covering end-to-end solution, covering the integration of all the log data, all the metrics from any vendor in the market. So this is important because, as you can imagine, monitoring the network nowadays is a very complex tool because we have a lot of different vendors giving data in different formats. We have different languages, we have different monitoring protocols. So it's a very complex world, and VIEWTINET is able to integrate all these data together. Okay? We have one tool called the Visual Smart Data Broker that is allowing us to integrate all these metrics and logs, put them together, and provide a unified single pane view advanced analytics tool. Okay, this is, let's say we have the latest in the state of the art. We are able to provide this unified view about all the IT ecosystem and IoT. And also, not only we provide this capability to manage logs and metrics, but we also have one DPI probe to give the insights about the network traffic. Okay, so it's, let's say, a very latest state-of-the-art technology. Is designed with microservices, it's scalable, we can ingest huge amount of terabytes of logs per day. As a result, we have this tool which is very interactive, is very visual, is very easy to use. So since the beginning, we put a lot of effort to have one tool that anybody could create their own dashboards without knowing a lot about big data, about queries. So our customers are doing themselves all their dashboards regarding all their ecosystems and all their IT infrastructure in a very easy and proactive way. Of course, our tool has advanced alarms. We are able to detect anomalies, our tool is completely multi-tenant, so many MSPs and service providers are using this technology to provide to their end customers one solution where they can see in real life, in real time, exactly how the network is behaving. Of course, we are monitoring both IT infrastructure and also cybersecurity elements. We can ingest syslog from firewalls, we can integrate with APIs from different vendors, so currently we are able to support all the vendors that are in the market regarding IT. We know very well which are our key advantages, so when we see at our competition, we see that there are tools that are not as easy to use as ours. They need a lot of time and effort to put them in place. It's also a very complex technology in terms of licensing, what they have, because they provide normally licenses based on usage, on cloud usage, so they don't really know exactly how much it is going to cost them when they start a project of observability. But with VIEWTINET, everything is much easier. We are providing even perpetual licensing with an annual support fee. Of course, we provide also the cloud SaaS version if you wish, but what we are seeing is that the customers appreciate very much the licensing way of VIEWTINET, and also they feel that VIEWTINET is much more easy to use than the other tools. So they can customize everything in a very easy way, very dynamically. They save a lot of time and effort. They are reducing by 50% their median time to resolve all the incidents. They are reducing the outages. So it's really the ROI, the return of investment, is around 100% annually with this technology. Also, a key advantage, I said it before, but is that we are fully multi-tenant. So this provides a huge advantage to MSPs and MSSPs to provide value-added services with this analytic technology. In these years, we are going to be now 6 years old, and we have created a very good market traction. As you can see here, we have a lot of references. All these references are, as you can see, are big companies mainly, which are our main customers. We have industries, telcos, banking, public administration, health services. We have presence in almost 15 countries nowadays. And also, something that we are particularly proud of is that we have, let's say, won many important projects with well-known vendors in the market. Okay, we have proven doing POCs that we are able to do as good or even better in certain environments as well-known companies in this sector, and also we have proven that we are able to be profitable. Okay, VIEWTINET reached break-even after 4 years of age. We are currently growing more than 30% year after year. So let's say that we are, of course, hiring a lot of people nowadays. We are keeping this track. We have a very good pipeline. We have no debts. So let's say that it's a very healthy company, and we are going to keep growing. Our pipeline says so. And of course, thank you very much. In order to get in touch with us here, you have our email, info@viewtinet.com. Okay, we will be more than happy to help you with any need you have. We are there in the booth number 22, I believe, here in the Spain booth. So again, thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in our booth. Thank you very much.